Okay, my dear student, here is the 7th standard lesson number 14, subject mathematics, symmetry. Introductions are given here. Before that, I want to show you some pictures. One is a building, one is a car, and one is a tortoise. So here architecture, engineering, and nature. Nature means a living being or not. We can say animals, plants also. So when you can find it and make it a two-piece or four-piece, you can find out a one so common thing, magic. Same left side, same right side, same top side as well as down side. Yes, so it is called the line of symmetry. Isn't it? Very good. See the pictures here are given. Compose a picture album showing symmetry. 4 figures. You are crafting your pictures. Yes. Create some colorful ink dots. Devils. Left side you can put same side also. You can see the right side. Make some symmetrical paper cut designs. Craft work. Yes. Look at here. Some symbols of alphabets and other arrows are given. It also has the symmetry. It's a vertical, cross or horizontal. Line of symmetry for regular polygon. Once again I remind you, regular polygon means it has equal sides and equal angles, and it should be a closed picture. Suppose a triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. All 3 sides measures are A. Its degree are 60 degree. Yes. Same way, a square has a 4 side, equal sides. 4 angles are also equal. It has also diagonals. 2 diagonals are equal. Pentagon 72 degree, 72 degree, between there 54, 108 together. Octagon 120 degree. Yes, my dear students, you can just see it's very easy lesson. All the students will get the complete mark. See, the pictures are given here. Triangle, square, regular pentagon, regular hexagon. Can you see this one, students? 14.6 figure. Yes, triangle has 3 line of symmetry, 4 square, pentagon 5, hexagon has 6 line of symmetry. Means when you exactly fold it. Yes, here line of symmetry for alphabet A. Alphabet A, you can keep it on the paper and then adjust this mirror according to this way. You will get the mirror image of the A. Yes, my dear students, correct. See here, diamond is given. It has no line of symmetry for horizontal. Horizontal means khada, vertical means khada. Okay, very good students. Vertical line of symmetry is there. Exactly left side and exactly right side. Correct. Look at here. What is this reflection? Yes, if you are seeing your face on the mirror, you can get your face. But if you are showing your back to the mirror, mirror will not show your face, it will show your back only. That's why mirror always show the correct things. Play some punching game. Let's see. Very good exercise you can do at home. Take the piece of paper, scrape paper. Not में से फाड़ के नहीं लेने का, blank वाला. What are used or not important word, paper. That's why scrape paper. And fold it and put anywhere, any corner of the paper. Put one punch. Punch means a hole. एक ball pen से या pen of pair of compass से एक hole बना दो. And when you open it, you are a magic. See how this one is there. Exactly line is here. The dot is in exactly distance are same. Is it? Yes. So punch a hole means make the hole. Exercise 4.1. Very easy questions. You can make it the answers yourself. We will discuss in next session. This is the introduction. Yes, very good students. Interesting thing. Rotational symmetry. Have you seen the tower? Clock tower. Yes. Symmetrically. It is moving. 4-sided. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side. Center of rotation or angle of rotation. First of all, where you are moving your object. Suppose this is my object. And rotation. Center means which wala? Is it middle? Yes, middle. Whenever I keeping and moving like this way, It is showing me a center of the rotation. Angle of the rotation means it is giving you 40 degree, 90 degree, you can just turn it. Okay? Good. So degrees are given for this one. 360 degree will come back to you on the exact place. Correct. See, here have you seen this type of fan? It is called the rotational symmetry. I am giving a 4-piece of a fan ABCD. I will rotate 90 degree, A will come on the downside, B will go on the right side, C will go up and D will come on the left side. Again I will move on the 90 degree turn, D will come down, A will go on right, B will on up, C will here. Isn't it? Like that way. When I doing the 4 times, exactly whatever the first time, same picture will come back. This is my original one and this is my last one. How many times I did? 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, 4 times. What is the degree total? Yes, my dear students, you are right. It's a 360. So whenever you turn any figure 360 degree, it will get its original place. Good. 4 time positions change. Same way for any picture. Suppose here P dot is given on the right side. When I turn on the right clockwise means like this way. Anti-clockwise means ulta. Like clock is moving, it's a clockwise. Kaise ghumti hai clock dekha na sabne? That's why I show the tower. Yes, good student. So clockwise or anti-clockwise 360 degree will give the original pictures. So rotational symmetry order 4. Order 4 means 360 degree. Be careful. It will give us a back one. See the triangles pictures, X, B, star or anything you can take it. Good. See the one more interesting thing. A fruit, a road sign or a wheel. Cross section. Diagonal. The center of rotation and the angle of rotation. The direction in which the rotation is affected and the order of the rotational symmetry. उसको कोई difference नहीं है, तो circle figure है इसके लिए. Okay, but whenever you have the plus sign, this triangle type, and this showing the X is the center of the figure, isn't it? Yes. From turning here clockwise or like this way, it's anti-clockwise, isn't it? Same figures, but now degree will change. Here it's a 90 degree because 4 sides are there. Here is a 120 degree. Why 120? 3 times it is rotating. This is the degrees 120. I forgot to put the degree sign. You are knowing where is the degree sign. Yes, my dear student. So you be careful. Whatever the picture, according to there, this is the one. Say yes. Flag. Flag is moving on this direction. 120 degree. Exercise 14.2 pictures are given like that way, and you can give the center of rotations and angle of rotation. Line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Very good question is here, students. A square has a 4 types of symmetry, line symmetry. Yes. So here we can say rotational symmetry. What is the rotational? Turning. Yes. The circle is the most perfect symmetrical figure because it can be rotated around its center to any angle, and at the same time it has unlimited number of lines of symmetry, countless lines. Observe any circle pattern, every line through the center, which one? That is every diameter forms a line of symmetry, line of reflectional symmetry, and it has rotational symmetry also around the center for every angle. Yes, correct. Rectangle में नहीं हो सकता बेटा. Rectangle में 180 में होगा. Half करेंगे तो. Good question. See here alphabets A to Z. Some alphabets are given. Line symmetry is there. Z में नहीं है बेटा. H में है. O में है. E में है. N में नहीं है. C में है. नंबर ऑफ लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री कितनी है वो लिखने की है. 1 2 ऐसे लिख के बताने का है. ऑर्डर ऑफ रोटेशनल सिमेट्री. ऑर्डर मीन्स सेकंड टाइम घुमाएंगे Z को आप तो आपको रोटेशनल मिलेगी 2 टाइम। ये मेरा z है, बराबर बेटा, मैंने बीच में से पकड़ा इधर को, उसको घुमाया ऐसे, तो भी z कैसे बनेगा, घुमाया इसको ऐसे, यस n बन गया, सेंटर इधर है, एक टाइम बनाया, फिर दूसरी बार घुमाया तो क्या मिल गया मुझे बेटा, z ही मिला। तो 1 टाइम नो, बट सेकंड टाइम मैंने घुमाया उसको ऐसे, तो इसको इट विल गेट द एग्जैक्ट फिगर। So 2 times, 1 time it is got it. Now third time I will do this one and will come like that way, and then again say. So whenever I turning the wall figure 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 time I rotate it with 90 degree. So I will get 2 times z, 1 time here and 1 time at the 360 degree. 1 time at 180 degree and at the second time 360 degree. I will get the same pictures. So 2 symmetry are there. Order of the symmetry. 14.3 is the questions related to these topics. Now what we have discussed, we can see very important points are there. Let's we discuss it very fast. Line of symmetry, a figure that has line symmetry, if there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the 2 parts of the figure will coincide. Coincide means एक के ऊपर एक, जैसे मेरा हाथ है, आप ऐसे देखेंगे तो क्या दिखाएगा आपको, एक ही हाथ दिखाई देगा, बराबर है बेटा, बट उसके पीछे दूसरा हाथ है मेरा, है कि नहीं है, यस, इट कैन सी फ्रॉम हियर, व्हेन आई ओपन यू कैन सी दैट एग्जैक्टली। Regular polygons have equal sides and equal angles. Yes, they have multiples, that means more than one line of symmetry. Third one, each regular polygon has as many lines of symmetry as it has sides. 6 को 6, 5 को 5, 4 को 4, 3 को 3. Yes, good question. Mirror reflection leads to symmetry, under which the left-right orientation have to be taken care of. Fifth one, rotation turns an object about a fixed point. This fixed point is the center of the rotation. The angle by which the object rotates is the angle of rotation. A half turn means rotation by 180 degree. A quarter turns means rotation by 90 degree. Rotation may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Next topic, if after a rotation an object looks exactly the same, we say that it has a rotational symmetry. In a complete turn, that means in 360 degree, the number of times an object looks exactly the same is called the order of rotational symmetry. The order of symmetry of a square, for example, it has 4, while for a quadrilateral triangle it has 3. 3 times it will get it back the same figure, same position. Some shapes have only one line of symmetry, like the letter E. E को आप कहीं पे भी घुमाओ, वो E की बार मिलेगा उसको. Yes. Some have only rotational symmetry. Line symmetry है उसको, rotate के बाद दूसरी है. Yes. Line में उसको सिर्फ horizontal है. Like the letter S and they both symmetry like H. The study of symmetry is important because of its frequent use in day-to-day life, and more because of the beautiful design it can be provided as architecture. Yes, engineer also. In nature we can find type of symmetry. So here we can end up our 14 lessons. Take care, be safe, bye bye.